This is the elevator at the cinemas at the Broadway Mall. This thing is a lovely piece of machinery. Basement's locked, go to 1. This is a longbar MT. Door's heavily messed up. Look at this. Buttons are reversed. Oh my god. Wait, it's gonna take another call. But let's see if it goes down. Lovely piece of doors. Who's got this? KONE's got this. Okay, let's go to 2. M is not on. Very lovely doors. Almost as bad as the main elevator here. And it's not gonna close. I don't think this button's a long bar. No, it was replaced. Very early MT, that's it.